You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this legendary lawgiver from Sparta, so ancient Greece. If you want to learn more names from Greek mythology and Greek history, stay tuned, we've got many more coming up. In Greek it's pronounced Lycurgus, Lycurgus, but in English the pronunciation is normally as Lycurgus, Lycurgus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.